Today, we're settling the score between two of Nakamichi's most ambitious home theater systems, the cinematic powerhouse Dragon 11.4.6 and the all-in-one Marvel Shockwafe Ultra 924. Both promise jaw-dropping immersion, earth-shaking bass, and Dolby Atmos height effects, but they take very different approaches. Which one deserves the crown of best home cinema setup? Stick around as we pit them head-to-head in design, setup, performance, and value to find out. Right out of the box, the Dragon 11.4.6 makes you feel like you're unpacking a boutique custom install. You get 11 satellite speakers, 4 upward-firing height modules, 6 dedicated subwoofers, and a central control hub that ties it all together. The individual speakers are sleek, low-profile cubes designed to blend into your room's decor or tuck behind furniture. Each subwoofer is a compact cube, yet each packs a serious punch. The control hub handles all the decoding, room calibration, and volume control. It's elegant, modular, and decidedly enthusiast level. By contrast, the Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 takes the Soundbar Plus route. A single 47-inch main bar houses 9 front-firing drivers and 2 height channels built in. 2 wireless subwoofers amplify the bass, and 4 battery-powered rear satellites deliver the surround and height effects. It's nearly plug-and-play. Power everything on, the subs and surrounds auto-pair, and you're ready to go. The slim bar looks at home beneath even the largest TVs, and the wireless satellites give a clutter-free experience. No jigsaw speaker placement needed. If you crave simplicity, the Shockwafe Ultra wins hands down. After positioning the bar beneath your TV, you place the 2 subwoofers and 4 satellites around the room at ear height. Nakamichi's Auto EQ runs via the included microphone plugged into the bar, sweeping test tones and optimizing levels in under 2 minutes. No menus to navigate, no AV receiver to configure. The Dragon 11.4.6, however, is designed for a more deliberate install in a dedicated home theater room. You mount or stand each of the 11 satellites, position the 6 subs to maximize low-end coverage, and place the 4 height modules overhead or on top of your front speakers. Then you connect every speaker via discrete cables to the control hub. Its advanced room calibration software uses a supplied measurement mic and laptop-based app, letting you fine-tune crossover points, delays, and levels to within fractions of a decibel. It's more work, yet it's exactly what audiophiles want for optimal sound staging. When we cue up a blockbuster scene, say an IMAX-enhanced excerpt of Dune Part 2, the Dragon 11.4.6 feels like you've built a private cinema. Footsteps in the sand sweep from left to right. The 4 overhead channels place the roar of sandworms above you. Subtle ambience from 6 subs blends into a seamless, room-filling bass foundation, rumbling low-frequency effects so organically you almost feel the shifting dunes. Dialogue sits pristinely in the center without ever getting lost in the storm of effects. It's as close to a true 11.4.6 Atmos rig as you can buy, short of an outboard AVR. The Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 impresses for its simplicity. That single bar punches well above its weight. The 2 built-in height channels and 4 rear satellites really lift helicopters and rain effects off the screen. Explosions rattle through dual subwoofers with plenty of chest-thumping impact. Mid-range clarity is excellent too. Voices remain distinct even in busy action. It won't quite match the Dragon's resolution or bass omnipresence, but for an integrated system, it's startlingly capable. Switching to music, let's try Daft Punk's Giorgio by Moroder. The Dragon reproduces the track with pinpoint imaging. The beat pulses from the floor to the ceiling, guitars and synths swirl precisely around you. The multiple subs offer an even, tight low end without bloom. If you love 2-channel fidelity with a 3D twist, this system does it brilliantly. The Shockwafe Ultra, meanwhile, serves music playlists admirably. Bass is punchy but not overpowering. The rear satellites add ambience for live concert videos, and songs via Bluetooth retain good presence and clarity. Purists might prefer separate stereo speakers, but for parties and casual listening, it hits all the right notes. For gaming on a PS5 or high-end PC, the Shockwafe's low-latency modes and auto-low-latency ALM ensure your input feels instantaneous. You'll hear every enemy footstep and directional cue leap out of the soundbar and surrounds, giving you a competitive edge. The Dragon, with its ultra-precise imaging and deeper soundstage, transforms games like Cyberpunk 2077 into fully immersive worlds. But you'll need to tweak and trust the calibration to get your exact positions dialed in. Here's where choices diverge sharply. The Dragon 11.4 at 6 commands a premium, often north of 4 figures, reflecting its modular flexibility, sheer speaker count, and calibration power. It's meant for buyers who demand near-professional performance and are comfortable running cables or hiring a custom installer. The Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4, on the other hand, sits at a far more approachable price point. For less than half the cost of a Dragon rig, you get Dolby Atmos, DTS-X, dual subs, 4 surrounds, and a minimal setup headache. It's a compelling value for those who want immersive sound without redesigning the living room around speaker wiring. If you're building a dedicated home theater and crave the absolute pinnacle of Atmos performance, where every sound cue is rendered with surgical precision, the Nakamichi Dragon 11.4.6 delivers an unrivaled experience. Its modular design, advanced calibration, and true 11.4.6 channels make it the choice of enthusiasts who won't settle for less than bespoke audio perfection. But if you want jaw-dropping Dolby Atmos immersion in a sleek all-in-one package, no AV receiver required, minimal wiring, quick setup, the Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 is the champion. It treads the line between simplicity and serious power, bringing cinematic surround and thunderous bass to any living room with effortless reliability. So there you have it, 2 very different beasts from Nakamichi, each excelling on its own terms. Drop a comment below. Would you tackle the Dragon's elaborate setup for audiophile bliss, or keep it simple with the Shockwafe Ultra's plug-and-play might? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next showdown.